What's up, people? Welcome back to T and Sharinda's TV. I'm Sharinda, and welcome back to another mukbang. Yes. Thank y'all for tuning in. And if you are new, make sure you hit the subscribe button. That way y'all will be notified when we upload a video. If you're not new, welcome back. We appreciate y'all coming back. But anyways, Bae is not here. I am not gonna say the next video. She ain't gonna be in the next video, but she's still doing it up for me. But she been working long hours, man. But hopefully she'll be back with us soon. Maybe she'll do one when on her off day or something. So, but anyways, but yeah, I'm just gonna keep this videos rolling. But anyways, today we are having salad. I got some banana pepper, and I cooked some wings. They some lemon pepper wings. So they fry. If y'all want to know how to learn how to make those, I will leave a recipe on the description. But just let me know in the comments. I will let y'all. We think about doing a cooking channel too. So if y'all down with that, we want to get recipes from us, how we cook our food and stuff, how we prepare it. A lot of people think we should do have a catering business. But anyway, we're gonna get right into it. And I'm about to, before we get started, I'm about to pray. I always pray over my food. All right. Amen. See, she bought me some salad. I made a fried chicken. Got some vinegar and oil. I'm still doing my diet. I was gonna do about 6 wings, but no, because I have a limit. I said I'm just gonna do 3. Hope that's okay, because yeah, I'm about to dig in. And I got the coldest water bottle. Y'all make sure to grab that coldest water bottle. It will be the link will be below of this video. All right. Ooh, that's good and cold. Good and cold. Yes, indeed. How'd you see that? Oh, hush your mouth. I did this just right. Got that crunch to it. Maybe won't feel like I want to do an ASMR now. I also T grew these. She grew these in our garden. These are good. These are banana pepper. I'm gonna eat a little bit and I'm gonna talk to y'all. All right. That water good. Everything good. Just water good. And I got everything on my salad. I got cucumber, got chopped ham on there, cheese, carrots. Squeeze a little lemon in my olive oil. I mean my salt and vinegar. Squeeze a little lemon on that. Put this chicken off the chain. I was gonna have tea juice when I put some money for her the other night. She said, baby, these wings are good. What are you putting in here? I told her what I'll put in there. But, like I said, if y'all want it, want the recipe, I'll hook y'all up. But anyway, I've been super busy helping people fix their credit, prepare their credit. We had some clients that got a new car, and but anyways, I had 2 clients that they got a new house and a new car. And one of them had got them a BMW. So, and I've been super busy helping people fix their credit. And people are seeing results in my system. And they super happy, excited about that. Chicken juicy. So if y'all want more information about this credit repair, like I said, if y'all up in the 400, if y'all in the 400, 500, 600, just shoot me a message on Facebook, or y'all can hit me up on Instagram. I will leave my Instagram link profile under this description. So I've been super busy all week. Been on the phone, talk to people, how to fix their credit. We got some new people had joined our business. Some of them, we had a lot of people that was interested in go ahead and get started, get an instant pay raise from their job. It's so many strategy that we teach y'all. So, like I said, there are 3 different membership y'all can purchase. We just have a regular membership, but that regular membership discounts, you don't get no discounts or nothing, like travel discounts and all that. But the second discount membership, you do have the membership. You do have the discount, the travel discount, car window discounts. If y'all want to take trips on cruise, y'all get discounts for that. Y'all want to take trips to Las Vegas and all that, you get trips all over the world. All that will come with your membership. So if you want the third membership, you still get a lot of discounts and travel discounts too. We also, if y'all want to tell people about the service and all that, we give you training. It's a special it's a bonus that come with that package. So I'm expanding my team here where I'm at. So, and if y'all not interested in the service, pass it down to somebody else. Somebody else might need it. Okay? So we got great service and product. Great service and product. So I suggest y'all get them credit fits. This is the right time to get y'all credit fits for a low price. Like I was telling in my last video, y'all gonna be paying $400 or $500 for somebody to fix your credit. Why fix your own credit? Repair it yourself. We have a step-by-step system that teach y'all how to fix your own credit. Okay, we give y'all disputes letters. Oh man, we give y'all everything that y'all need to in order to start removing things off your credit and fixing your credit. Or you just looking to rebuild your credit. Okay. It's great system. I've seen amazing results in my credit. I got me a new phone, got the iPhone 11. That's how I got that. So, and also got me a Capital One card. It was hard for me to even get a Capital One card. It was hard for me to even get an iPhone. And you know, iPhones cost about $500 to almost all the way up to $1,000. You know, so God bless me with this opportunity, and also this is a tax write-off. You know, I could write if I want to travel, want to get a hotel and all that's tax write-off. So well, I start also, you can fix your credit and start a home-based business. So we had so many people join our team. We had so many people done quit their job. And when people quit their job, they see results in their business. Their cash flow has increased. Well, great business opportunity, and also you can fix your credit. But enough of that. You know, I will give y'all a little bit more detail. If I send y'all information, please watch the video. Watch the video. My video gonna explain everything. So these some big old banana pepper. But I just want to come over here and show my face. I know I realize that y'all want to see videos in the mornings now. So I'm just trying to interact with y'all. See what would be the best day for y'all to see our videos. Morning, evening, afternoon. So if morning be fine with y'all, we could continue do it, upload in the mornings. This was my dinner tonight. So I'll tell you, that chicken went good. And also, this is my fried food for the night. So but I hope y'all get to see T back soon. But she's been doing little TikTok videos, so y'all check our TikTok videos out. I will leave a link below this video as well. So in the next video, I do have a story time for y'all about our TikTok, what happened to our TikTok. So I don't want to make this video too long. So I'll talk about that in the next video. This was good tonight. I had some lemon pepper chicken wing, fried chicken wing, and a salad. So thank y'all for tuning in. Make sure y'all like, comment, share, and subscribe. Share this video to a friend. Alright. So we almost close getting monetized. We almost there. So if y'all want us to do this giveaway, help us out. Play our video or watch our video. If y'all can't watch our video like that, y'all wait. You can watch it when you get off or whatever. Please, just like I said, please. Ooh, excuse me. Please hit that bell notification till it turns gray. No, not till it turns white or nothing like that. Wait till it turns gray. Alright. Make sure y'all comment on our video. That way it helps you to algorithm. So I'm out and peace.